Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Remote Play lag. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the main settings window where you can adjust various configurations to improve your remote play experience. In the settings window, you'll notice a left panel with different categories. Click on Remote Play. This section contains all the specific settings related to streaming games from your PC to other devices, and tweaking these options is key to reducing lag and improving performance during remote sessions. Now look for Enable Host Advanced Options and toggle it on. Enabling this option unlocks additional performance settings that give you more control over how Steam handles remote play streaming. These advanced options are essential for optimizing your connection and reducing latency. Next, look for Enable Hardware Encoding and make sure it's toggled on. Hardware encoding uses your GPU to handle the video compression instead of your CPU, which significantly reduces the processing load and improves streaming performance. This results in smoother gameplay with less lag and better frame rates during remote play sessions. After that, look for Prioritize Network Traffic and toggle it on. This setting ensures that Steam gives priority to remote play data over other network activities happening on your system. By prioritizing this traffic, you minimize interruptions and packet loss, which are common causes of lag and stuttering during remote gaming sessions. Now, in the left panel, click on In-Game. This section controls various features that affect your gaming experience, including overlays and performance monitoring tools. Some of these features can impact your remote play performance, so adjusting them is important. Look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and toggle it off. While the Steam overlay is useful for accessing friends lists and browser features during gameplay, it consumes additional system resources that can contribute to lag during remote play. Disabling it frees up those resources, allowing Steam to focus entirely on streaming your game smoothly. And that's it! You've now optimized your Steam settings to reduce remote play lag by enabling hardware encoding, prioritizing network traffic, and disabling unnecessary overlays. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.